friends, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Foyer. I'm a local real estate professional in North and South Carolina. Today I am touring a community in Indian Land, North Carolina, Indian Trail, North Carolina, yeah, called Poplin Grove. This is an MI. Well, we're touring this model home here called Sonoma. It's built by MI Homes, and I have these two lovely MI new home consultants here that will tell us a little bit about the community and about the home.
So welcome to Poplin Grove. Like we said, we're located here in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So convenient. You're super close to the bypass right here at 74, and you're super close to shopping, dining, all the things that make living just easier.
HOA fees here are only $300 a year.
Wow.
And we do cover common area, open space, street lights, and those kinds of things.
Oh, that's good. Okay? Wow.
So that's actually a draw here. The other draw is the schools here are really good. Highly rated Porter Ridge schools in Union County. That's a big draw. And like Joy was saying, the quaintness. When you come in, larger home sites, back up to wooded areas and that kind of thing. But best of all really is MI Homes plans that we have.
So now I'm just gonna walk you guys through the property so you guys can have a feel of what the Sonoma looks like. And hopefully you'll be giving us a call so we can help you get into this fast selling community. All right, let's check it out together. Okay, Brett, thank you so much for having us. Can you tell us a little bit about this entryway and the foyer here?
Absolutely. The Sonoma is very well known, or famous you could even say, for its entry aspect. When you come in, you'll notice this big two-story foyer. More and more folks love that. We do in this plan have a dining room as soon as you come in that is also considered kind of a flex room. In other words, if someone wanted to take this, close it in and use some French doors, come in more like a study, then that's a popular way to go as well.
Okay.
And
wow.
That is two plans that we have that have this two-story foyer. So if you don't like two-story foyers, then you wouldn't absolutely have to, for sure.
Well, let's walk throughout the home here.
And the first room you come to is right here, which is a half bath, okay? Far enough away from the kitchen that people
I really like
it.
that. I thought it was a closet space initially. That's very nice. And so this is where the laundry space is?
Yes,
is that
and
connected?
The reason why I think that we do the laundry here and downstairs in this is because in this plan, like we talked about earlier, you can do a master bedroom down as well as the massive master bedroom upstairs you will see.
And then we're gonna move over here. Can you tell us more about like the kitchen here?
Yeah,
what would be standard and what would be included?
This is really the staple of the Sonoma plan. Massive island, very generous in regards to space here. This, of course, is an undermount, what they call a farmhouse sink. This is a stainless steel version, which is an upgrade, quite frankly.
Even for the stainless steel?
If it's a stainless steel with an apron like this,
yes.
It is. Okay, but you can do a single bowl where it's a lot less. These undermounts, farmhouse, are typically going to be a little on the higher side. Okay, but we all come included with what we call the Gourmet Kitchen. So you actually have, this is actually a double oven, believe it or not. This is.
So where's your microwave?
This is actually a microwave and a
an
convection
oven.
It
Really?
does both. If you're not familiar with Advantium, it even cooks a third way, which is
air fryer.
It kind of does. If you've ever heard of the halogen cooking,
yeah.
You ever thought about cooking with halogen lamps? I thought they were for cars, but yeah, you can.
Wow, how nice.
To brown the food and things of this nature. And then of course
the pantry. Yeah.
Back there. One of the best things about the Sonoma plan is that it comes included with a built-in lanai. And most all the other plans that we offer, you actually have to add a covered porch onto the back of the home if you actually want one. It does come with a generous breakfast area here, okay? The included here though is the sliding glass doors. Sometimes folks will do these French doors, what we call atrium doors instead.
Okay, perfect. Why don't you tell us more about this living space area here?
This is definitely the top seller, not just because it's the model, but probably because it, quite frankly, has just a supreme layout. Our included feature is a fireplace, not this one, however, because this one actually has stone added to the front, a raised hearth area, and a wooden mantle. And then down this way here, you actually have our guest suite. that we've added. A lot of folks, you know, obviously in this bigger case, we're using it as more like a study. So you have to use your imagination a little bit to make it more like a bedroom. But the big difference is the fact that we have
The closet
space, of course.
Yeah, I think I would actually love the 2 masters option. That's pretty cool. I can see why that would be a popular option. Now we're just gonna go upstairs and we're going to, well, now we're gonna take you guys upstairs and we'll look at the rest of the home.
So this actually shows the wooden staircase that you can do the oak treads if you so desire. I always like to start in the owner's suite up. Obviously these double doors coming in makes it very dramatic. And this is one of, if not the largest master bedroom that I have sold in. And this of course has that, what we were talking about, the wainscoting, but it's a design element here. Normally it would not be, but it is nice to see it because this is the wainscoting that goes in the foyer and the dining. And normally you would have the window trim around the window. Obviously you do have this stool and apron here as an included feature in every window in the home. The tray ceiling that you see here is also included, and the molding inside of that is included as well. Come into the master bath. Now most folks see this designer shower and they're
fall in love with it.
Yeah, it is large. So this is one of the different types of showers or shower and tubs that you could do. The standard or included is a garden tub with full tile surround
and like half of it, yeah.
Full tile surround, that's the included here.
Got it.
And then of course over here, what you're looking at is also an included feature with the rectangular undermount sinks and this style of faucet in all the baths.
Okay.
The oversized closet in there where I get to choose my corner. This would be mine here.
That's it. And then the rest of this
is the wife, yeah. That's how that works, you know. It's not a Jack and Jill, but it definitely would be more of a shared bath here between these 2 large bedrooms. And that's one of the things folks like about the Sonoma is the size of these bedrooms.
Wow.
Is very generous. The only thing that you have to know about this little loft setup is the built-ins you see here does not come as an included type of a situation, but we could do it, but
is it an upgrade or something after closing?
It is something we could do as what we call a non-standard option, even though we have it in here.
Yeah.
Most of the time what we do is try to maybe recommend some vendors that could do it.
Okay.
Just because it's not really an option that we offer in the Sonoma, a standard option.
Got it.
And lastly, this bedroom number 5 here, well, this is the 5th bedroom. Depending upon how many kids or what you would use this room for, you can add this. Obviously, if you didn't have the bath, it would be a much larger bedroom.
I think I like this option with the ensuite bathroom.
Absolutely.
Like it makes it so much easier instead of people fighting for the bathroom, you know.
I mean, you know, and listen, with a house like this, where you have 4.5 baths, I mean, why not? You gotta say you got 4.5 baths, not just 3.5 like in a cottage, you know, 4.5.
Like not a cottage.
Just one more to clean, right? But in this particular case, especially if you have a 3rd child or something, absolutely you would not never want to do without it.
Absolutely. Perfect. Well, what is this door?
That's another closet for storage.
Wow.
And you
There is
actually have a pull-down attic as well there. Which, I'm pretty sure we're changing the location if we haven't already, because it seems a little odd to have it there. But I think we're moving it. Because, you know, you can put it wherever the truss systems allow.
Perfect. So thank you guys so much for following along with us on this home tour. As always, more information about this home, about Poplin Grove, about how to get in contact with Brett and Joy will be found in the description bar below. Please be sure to like this video and also hit that subscribe button. What this does, it helps the algorithm and it helps other people find out more about the whole entire Charlotte Metro so they can come talk to Brett, myself, and Joy. So Before we close out, Brett, do you have any final thing to say to the audience?
I mean, the big thing about Poplin Grove right now is we're relatively new in the big scheme of things. A lot of our communities in the same exact, what we would call series of homes are gonna be priced higher. A lot of it has to do with location, land costs, and those kinds of things. So if you can be out a little further, just a little bit, here in Indian Trail, you will find some very good value in the overall prices here in comparison, because our included features would be the same as those.
Got it.
And we're gonna be here for a while. We're relatively new in the scheme of things.
Good, perfect. Well, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.